Electric Palmon are interesting in Palmon Survival.
Most of them can target back row enemies.
Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will continue the Electric Palmon guide, focusing on the Backline Palmon. If you haven't watched the frontline breakdown, you can find it in the description. Basics.
The three regular UR Electric Backline Palmon are Battereina, Limudroid, and Mantleray. They behave differently even in their normal attacks. Limudroid's normal attack is the most standard, dealing around 400% damage to one enemy. Battereina and Mantleray both target the back row, but Battereina hits 2 enemies while Mantleray hits only 1. And just like all your Palmon, their fourth skill provides 20% attack, defense, and HP. Battereina's rage skill deals over 3000% damage to 2 random back row enemies. While the damage is not the highest, the targeting is extremely valuable because the backline is usually much easier to kill. Backline Palmon have no defensive bonuses, making them fragile. If you eliminate the enemy's backline quickly, they lose most of their firepower, and their damage output collapses. On top of that, Battereina's passive skill increases the damage of all electric allies by 20%. This skill is a must-have in the electric lineup because it benefits all electric allies, and when evolved, this bonus increases by 50%, boosting the total damage bonus to 30%. If you are running an electric lineup, Battereina is highly recommended. But other factions such as Water Battereina don't fit because its buff only works for electric allies. Did you know the in-game bundle costs a lot more with digital tax depending on the country? For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With Lootify, you can get your first $100 bundle as low as $72. Yes, you hear me right, that's $72. And it gets even better. Inviting your friends with your custom Lootify link can earn you up to $20 per friend who bought a $100 in-game bundle with Lootify. With Lootify, you save on every bundle, avoid the heavy digital taxes, and earn even more through bonuses and invites. Click the link in the description and start saving today with Lootify. Limudroid. Limudroid's rage skill has similarities to Ninjump. It deals over 1900% damage to all enemies. This is higher than Ninjump's numbers, which are around 1500%. Unfortunately, Limudroid suffers from a significant flaw. Its passive skill is not a battle skill at all. It increases research speed and reduces research time, which is excellent for base development, but utterly useless in combat. Its evolved skill improves the rage skill damage by 25%. It has the potential to be a great hitter, but the lack of a battle-related passive skill holds it back. We don't prefer Limudroid in battle because there are better choices. Mantleray. Mantleray's rage skill fires 3 bombs, each dealing around 2800% damage. These bombs can target the same or different enemies, making Mantleray very flexible in combat. Its passive skill adds up to 30% critical rate, which pushes Mantleray toward the critical build within the electric lineup. When you combine this rate with skill ascension bonuses and the staff, Mantleray can achieve a critical rate of up to 80%. This means the 3 bombs have a very high chance of dealing critical damage. When evolved, Mantleray also gains a 35% attack boost. All of this makes Mantleray the heavy hitter of the electric faction. And since Mantleray does not rely on faction-limited bonuses, she can be used effectively in any lineup, not just electric. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.